How to change a car tire, a step-by-step guide. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to DIY Wizard, where we make tough jobs easy. Today, we're tackling an essential skill every driver should know: how to change a car tire. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire on the road or just replacing an old one, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. So let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools. You'll need tire, wrench, wheel wedges, your vehicle's manual, and optional gloves and a flashlight if you're working in low light. Safety first. If you're on the road, pull over to a safe flat surface away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights and engage the parking brake. If available, place wheel wedges around the tires to prevent rolling. If you have passengers, ask them to exit and wait at a safe distance. Using your lug wrench, turn the lug nuts counterclockwise to loosen them. Don't remove them completely just yet. Just break the tension so they'll be easier to remove once the car is lifted. Now, locate your car's jacking point. This can be found in your vehicle's manual. Position the jack securely and start raising the car until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Always make sure the jack is on solid ground to avoid accidents. Fully unscrew the loosened lug nuts and carefully remove the flat tire. Place it flat on the ground to prevent rolling. Align the spare tire with the wheel bolts and gently push it into place. Then, hand tighten the lug nuts to hold the tire in position. Slowly lower the car until the new tire touches the ground, but don't let the full weight rest on it yet. Now tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure. Once secure, lower the car completely and double-check that all the lug nuts are tight. Check the tire pressure of your spare tire to make sure it's safe to drive. Also, pack up your tools and put the damaged tire in your trunk for proper disposal or repair. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your car tire like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips. Stay safe on the road, and see you in the next video.